Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to change the camera video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one and take a look at this option bar at the top. On the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so simply tap on it, and here we've got two different options, so FHD or 4K. All you need to do is to tap on the option like to use, it will be immediately highlighted. Also the icon changed, and right now it is indicating which resolution we've got applied, and it obviously means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.